Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man Sky, here to talk about unleashing that inner beast, the one who's destined for greatness. Have you ever felt like your potential is stuck in airplane mode? You know it's there, but no matter what buttons you press, nothing seems to connect. Don't worry, we've all been there, frantically hitting refresh on our lives, hoping for that magical breakthrough. Today we're going to change that. Together we'll unlock the hidden potential you didn't even know you had. And we'll do it with 3 simple steps. Buckle up because this journey is about to take off. Alright folks, step 1 is simple. Find out what makes you tick. Spoiler alert, it's not your alarm clock, it's your passions, strengths, and innate abilities. But to uncover these, we need to get a little introspective. Think journaling, meditation, or, well, whatever makes you pause and reflect. Seriously guys, this is important. This is about you. Take some time to get to know yourself. Studies show that mindfulness practices can enhance self-awareness, giving you a deeper understanding of your values and capabilities. So grab a pen and start digging into your why. What gets you fired up? What are you naturally good at? What makes you lose track of time? These are clues, people, clues. Now let's talk about the enemy within limiting beliefs. They're like the karaoke singers of your mind, belting out off-key tunes like, "You can't do this" or "Stay in your lane." But here's the good news, we can quiet those voices. See, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT research says we can challenge and rewrite them. I'm talking about taking control of your thoughts. Try this. Write down one thing you think you're bad at. Now ask yourself, is this really true or is it just a story I keep telling myself? You might be surprised by the answer. So ditch the negativity and start believing in yourself because you are capable of amazing things. Alright, step 2. It's time to kick those limiting beliefs to the curb. Think of them like old apps on your phone, taking up space, draining your battery, and doing absolutely nothing useful. Delete them. And I'm not just saying that, science backs this up. Neuroplasticity research proves that our brains can rewire themselves with practice. That means you can replace your negative self-talk with affirmations that sound more like, "I've got this," and less like, "I'm a mess." Here's a quick exercise. The next time you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never get this right," reframe it to, "I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm getting closer." See, it's all about perspective. And don't forget about mindset. A growth mindset isn't just a trendy buzzword, it's your golden ticket to resilience. It's like upgrading from economy to first class on the flight to your dreams. When you start seeing challenges as opportunities to grow, you'll notice the world feels a lot less intimidating. Plus, failing becomes less like a faceplant and more like a plot twist. So embrace the bumps in the road, folks. They're just detours on the journey to success. Action. Now, for the final step, action. Because all the self-reflection and mindset shifts in the world won't mean much if you don't put them into practice. This is where the magic happens, people, when we turn thoughts into things. Start by setting realistic goals. Think SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," try, "I'll work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes." Suddenly, the impossible feels doable. Pro tip: break your big goals into bite-sized chunks. Think of it like eating an entire pizza, one slice at a time. You don't just inhale the whole thing at once, do you? No, you savor each delicious bite. And don't underestimate the power of community. Find a mentor, join a group of like-minded individuals, or even just share your goals with a friend who'll hold you accountable. Studies show that having social support increases your chances of success dramatically. It's like having a hype squad cheering you on every step of the way. So find your people, share your vision, and watch how much faster you soar when you're surrounded by those who believe in you. Here's the big takeaway. Unlocking your potential isn't about discovering some hidden talent you never knew you had. It's about peeling back the layers of doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs to reveal the greatness that's already inside you. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Remember, even the tallest trees started as tiny seeds. So take that first step, nurture your growth, and trust the process. And hey, if all else fails, just remember this. You're already way ahead of the person who's still waiting for the right time to start. So stop waiting, start doing, and let's unlock that potential together. What's one step you're taking today to unlock your potential? Share it in the comments below, and who knows, you might just inspire someone else to take action too. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into mastering resilience and bouncing back stronger than ever. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's spread the motivation and unlock our potential together.